Hello world! I procrastinated quite a bit with my YouTube videos lately, but hopefully I'm back on track now and I can edit my content straight after I film it. This look today is special, so I can't stress enough the importance of cleaning and moisturizing your skin beforehand. I use my Bioderma cream for acne-prone skin to create a barrier between our future colored base and skin. This way, nothing nasty can get into our pores. Then I proceed with applying black cream color all over my face in multiple layers to get maximum saturation. When a base is done, I set it with black eyeshadow from Morphe. It has quite a big pan, so my whole powder brush fits there easily. Because of the lighting that I got, it may seem like the paint is not really opaque black, but whatever products you use, try to get it as dark as possible for an ideal contrast in the future. And let's not forget about a layer of powder to really set it all in place and mattify the skin. At this step, you should take a cotton bud with a makeup remover solution and with long swipes create stripes of bare skin in any shape you desire to transform into a neon sign on your face. I put white base onto the bare skin to brighten the color we will be putting on top as our color of light. For the colored product itself, I suggest using neon pigments or liners like Suve or Sample Beauty ones that I used. They look the brightest on white base during the day, but will also be fun in UV lights at the club. Using the same brush with white cream paint, apply thin lines in the middle of the colored stripe to create a 3D effect of the light. Any eye look of your choice can be added to this technique, but I decided to go for a glitter eyeliner. For all of my looks with glitter, I use Mehron mixing liquid and Sample Beauty glitter pigments, as this combo proved to be very long lasting. On the lips, I create a similar light effect we did with the bow shape, but more of an ombre really, again using my clown white base. I really should have done my highlighters before the line art, but it works both ways, so I'm adding my Anastasia Moonchild palette highlighters to finish off the look. Again, thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, Please like and subscribe, and I'll try to post more often so you get more video tutorials. Bye!